Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I am going to show you how to earn from $25 to $50 per hour. In this video, it's basically for beginners. Following this very simple method, you can make up to $25 to $50 per hour. It's a simple and easy way to earn money online. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe right now and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start a business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. Let's continue that last video. I'm gonna show you in today's video from these methods. Much people out there already profiting that way. So if you type in Instagram followers and click on this particular one here, from for example, you want to help people to grow their Instagram accounts. That's it. They offer a really organic traffic, and that is the way that will help you to earn money online, and that will help you to earn up to $50 per hour. They are charging anything from $10 for the premium model and from $60 for the basic model to up to $100 to help them get Instagram followers. And here on this site that called PrimeGram, this site will help you to make money that way, will help you to get social media attraction, comments and like and all of that. And now for those customers for a fraction of the price, all you need to do is to advertise Prime Gram on Fiverr and you make money. And if you have a look on Fiverr and 10 times more by this company, they actually being offered here, and people on Fiverr are charging in some instances whatever you are charging on top of this. You have got Facebook, you have got Instagram, you have got SoundCloud, as you can see here, you have got Twitter and Pinterest and Shopify and Spotify. Now what you need to do through this side, there is so much opportunity on the side. You need to go onto Fiverr to earn money online and advertise to help people to grow their Instagram accounts or their Facebook page or Twitter accounts. You need to help people to grow. You need to help people to grow, and that's the way that will help you to earn money online. It's probably the easiest way to make money online. It's easy and simple. $100 a day online through this site. And on Fiverr, if you have got 10 to 15 these advertisements, all you're charging your customers is between $5 and $50, and you are charging anything from $25 to $100, and make a lot of money in between to be the middleman. And that way will help you to earn money online, earn up to $50 per hour. That's it for today. That's the way that will help you to earn money online on Fiverr. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.